Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a somber journey exploring the darker side of aviation. The skies, so vast and seemingly limitless, have also been the setting for moments of profound tragedy. We delve into the history of aviation, recounting the stories of 5 of the most devastating plane crashes ever recorded. These events, etched in memory, serve as stark reminders of the fragility of life and the importance of constant vigilance in our pursuit of technological advancement. Let's begin. The Canary Islands, known for its volcanic terrain and beautiful beaches, was the setting for one of aviation's darkest days. On March 27, 1977, two Boeing 747s, KLM Flight 4805 and Pan Am Flight 1736, collided amidst dense fog at Tenerife Airport. Both flights were diverted to Tenerife due to a bomb threat at Gran Canaria Airport, creating congestion and tension. As the fog thickened, visibility decreased dramatically. Miscommunication between the KLM crew and air traffic control led to a fatal misunderstanding. The KLM flight began its takeoff run, while the Pan Am aircraft was still on the runway. The resulting collision was catastrophic, engulfing both aircraft in a fiery explosion. The impact claimed the lives of all 248 aboard the KLM flight and 335 of the 396 aboard the Pan Am flight. Significant changes were implemented in the aviation industry, including standard phraseology for air traffic communication, and improved runway lighting and ground radar systems. The Tenerife Airport disaster remains the deadliest accident in aviation history. High above the rugged mountains of Japan, Japan Airlines Flight 123 embarked on a routine domestic flight from Tokyo to Osaka on August 12, 1985. Approximately 12 minutes into the flight, the aircraft experienced a catastrophic failure of the aft pressure bulkhead. The explosive decompression tore away a large portion of the 747's vertical stabilizer. For 32 harrowing minutes, the crippled 747 veered erratically across the sky. Passengers penned heart-wrenching farewell notes to loved ones. The aircraft crashed into Mount Osutaka, resulting in the deaths of 520 of the 524 souls on board. The investigation revealed a faulty repair performed on the aircraft's rear pressure bulkhead 7 years prior. This tragedy highlighted the critical importance of meticulous maintenance procedures. The skies above Charkhi Dadri, India, became the backdrop for an aviation disaster on November 12, 1996. Saudi Arabian Airlines Flight 763 and Kazakhstan Airlines Flight 1907 were on a collision course. Miscommunications and errors in judgment by the Kazakh crew, compounded by limitations in air traffic control, set the stage for disaster. The Kazakh Ilyushin strayed into the path of the ascending Saudi Arabian Boeing 747. The impact was unavoidable, sending both aircraft plummeting towards the ground. The collision claimed the lives of all 349 souls on board both aircraft. The Charkhi Dadri mid-air collision prompted significant changes to air traffic control procedures and expedited the implementation of traffic collision avoidance systems, TCAS. This tragedy underscores the importance of clear communication and strict adherence to altitude assignments. On March 3, 1974, Turkish Airlines Flight 981, a McDonnell Douglas DC-10, embarked on a routine flight from Paris to London. Shortly after takeoff from Orly Airport, disaster struck. A faulty design in the DC-10's cargo door locking mechanism led to a catastrophic failure. The cargo door burst open, causing a sudden and explosive decompression. The decompression ripped away a section of the cabin floor, sucking 6 passengers out of the aircraft. The aircraft, now uncontrollable, entered a steep dive and crashed into the Unveils forest. The impact resulted in the loss of all 346 souls on board. The crash exposed critical flaws in the design of the DC-10 and led to the grounding of all DC-10 aircraft worldwide. New safety regulations were implemented to prevent similar accidents in the future. On July 17, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight MH17, a Boeing 777 en route from Amsterdam to Kuala Lumpur, vanished from radar screens over eastern Ukraine. The aircraft was struck by a Russian-made Buk surface-to-air missile, launched from territory controlled by pro-Russian separatists. The impact caused the forward section of the aircraft to break apart, sending the Boeing 777 plummeting towards the ground. Wreckage and bodies were scattered over a wide area near the village of Hrabov. All 298 souls on board perished in the disaster. The downing of MH17 sparked outrage and condemnation from world leaders. The investigation concluded that the aircraft was shot down by a Buk missile system. The incident highlighted the dangers of flying over conflict zones and the need for improved international protocols for sharing information about potential threats. The downing of MH17 underscores the importance of international cooperation in ensuring the safety and security of civil aviation. As we conclude our exploration of these tragic events, we are reminded of the human cost of aviation disasters. Each crash, a story of lives lost, families shattered, and potential unrealized. These events serve as solemn reminders of the importance of continuous improvement in aviation safety and the enduring resilience of the human spirit. Let us remember those who perished, their families, and the countless individuals who worked tirelessly in the aftermath. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay safe and take care.